Everyone, welcome back to the new video of English speaking class. I'm your coach and I'm here to improve your English. But before starting a video of today, I'm going to tell you what is required to learn any new thing. What? The answer is sacrifice. If you really want to improve yourself, you have to sacrifice so many things. You have to sacrifice your friends, going out, or anything else which you do. But believe me, my friend, if you have the eager to success and you can do sacrifice with the things, nobody can stop you to become successful in your life. Look at the example of famous personality in the sports like Khabib. In the film industry, we can see in India Shah Rukh Khan, and in the world we can say about the Tom Cruise. Look at the personality of that person. Look at the health. Health is wealth. If you are fit, you will survive. We can take the example in the business lives like Elon Musk. He is healthy also and rich also. Look at the example in the industry of, like we have taken the example of sports, we have taken example of the film industry and the businesses. So one thing is common between every person. If we talk about Khabib or we talk about Shah Rukh Khan, sacrifice. They all have done sacrifice with so many things to become successful. And practice. Whatever you are doing, even you are doing like any skill job, but if you are not doing practice, you are not doing that thing regularly, you won't be a perfectionist. If you want to become a perfection in anything, so you have to keep on doing practice. Same thing with the English. If you want to speak in English, you want that you can understand English easily, so you have to do some things which will improve your English practice. So let's start today's video with the foundation of English vocabulary. First word for the day is labyrinth. Labyrinth. Maze, something like maze. Each of 50 floors in the office building was a labyrinth of dark corridors and narrow passageways. Next word, laconic. Using few words, especially to the point of seeming rude. The manager's laconic dismissal letter left the fired employees feeling angry and hurt. Lament, mourn. From the balcony of the bullet-fogged hotel, the foreign correspondents could hear hundreds of women. Lampoon, satires to mock parody. The irrelevant student mercilessly lampooned their Latin teachers. Languish, become weak. The formerly eager and vigorous accountant languished in his tedious job. Next word. Largesse, generous giving of the gifts for the gifts. Sam was marginally literate at the best. Latent. We have recently watched a new show on Netflix, India's Got Latent. So here the meaning of the latent. Present but not visible or apparent. Present but not visible or apparent. Now, time of sentence. A photographic image is latent in a piece of exposed film. Next word, laud. To applaud, to extol. The bank manager lauded the hero who trapped the escaping robber. Legacy. Something handed down from the past. The legacy of the corrupt administration was chaos. Lethargy. Sluggishness. The cuff potato had fallen into a state of such total lethargy. Levity. Frivolity. To levitate something is to make it so light that it floats up into the air. So friends, we have done today's session of English vocabulary. Now you need to write down these words with meaning and try to make a sentence and tell me in the comment section that how many sentence you have made. Second thing is start listening English every day. Start watching English news channel like BBC, CNN, Al Jazeera. There are lots more English news channel. Because when you will listen, you will watch someone speaking in English. And if they can speak in English, so you can also speak in English. So this is the part of learning process. Next thing, read English more and more. Read book, magazine, whatever you like. Fiction, non-fiction, any novel, whatever you like. There are so many books in the market. Any bestseller. But I prefer newspaper. Why? Because it keeps me updated. Final thing, speak up. Speak with your friend, neighbor, elders, those who can understand English. Brother, sister, whoever with you and with whom you can speak. If you are in college or university, speak with your professors, students, classmates. So you just need to speak up, because as much as you will speak, as much as you will grow, and when you will grow, so you will open a new opportunity for your career, like getting a job in corporate, where the getting a job is not an easy task. I have seen so many students of BTech pass out, MBA pass out, they did not get a job because of poor communication skill. Yes. Finally, one more thing. Even you want to go for study for overseas in countries like Canada, Australia, English can be your ticket. Yes, because if you are good in English, so you can easily qualify language test, which is a great hurdle to get admission in Canadian or Australian university. So you can easily qualify if you are good in your basics. So English is very, very important because of its global acceptance. And believe me, my friend, English is the most easiest language in this world. So I hope you will learn, you will improve, and you will improve your career, and you will become successful. So I hope you will like the video of today. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.